I've got 2 containers of water here. I'm going to add to one of the containers a little bit of road salt. You can see that it dissolves, but very slowly. This is road salt, so it's made to stay on the roads for a long time before it goes away. But it will dissolve eventually. While that's working, we'll add also a little bit of baking soda to another container. You see that it gets cloudy, but it also will dissolve. Turns clearer and clearer as it continues to break those pieces of baking soda into smaller and smaller pieces. So we can add a little more road salt. It's all dissolved. A little more baking soda too. You can see that it's mostly dissolved. We got a tiny bit of road salt in the bottom of our cup and a tiny bit of baking soda in the bottom of our cup. Try to give them one more stir. Let's think about what you would expect if we mix these two together. Got an empty container here. So I've got 2 clear liquids because they're both completely dissolved. Mix them together. So your liquid starts out very clear, but it gets cloudier and cloudier. What we've done is we've formed a new solid in the liquid that we can see with our eyeballs. It makes the water very cloudy. That mixture of water and that white solid, it makes the water very cloudy. We call this forming a precipitate. If we let this settle, all the solid will sink to the bottom and the liquid water will rise to the top. Again, this is forming a precipitate. Thanks for watching.